Milwaukee just announced an excellent addition to their outdoor power equipment lineup, the M18 Fuel Dual Battery Blower. It's going to be part number 2824-20. This blower improves on Milwaukee's already excellent design and adds a few welcome features. Let's take a look. With the dual battery system, they amped up the power by 60%. With that boost in power, the POWERSTATE Brushless Motor is producing a consistent 600 CFM, 145 mile/hour flow, which is achieved in under 1 second of engaging the throttle and maintained throughout the battery pack discharge. The unit comes with 2 nozzle attachments, a tapered and a flat nozzle for the ability to optimize airflow for different applications. They've added an operator-facing fuel gauge, making your battery life easily visible during use, a secondary hand grip, which offers more control when working in multiple orientations, and an ambidextrous variable speed lock. These features make this tool easier for use for the best clearing control. Will you be adding this blower to your collection? What other tools do you think Milwaukee should implement the dual battery system on? Let us know down in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to always do your best work with Acme tools.